Buying a car? You want a smart investment, not a money trap. Some vehicles look great in ads but turn into costly nightmares. This video reveals the 16 worst cars nobody buys, backed by Consumer Reports. Trust me, you'll be stunned by some of these. From engines failing fast to repair bills rivaling a new car's deposit, these rides are trouble. Here's the shocker. The top car will likely cost thousands to fix before hitting 50,000 miles. Stick around. This isn't just a list. It's your roadmap to dodge disaster. Miss this, and you could be stuck with a wallet-draining regret for years. Number 16, Lincoln Aviator. A premium SUV that falls short in critical aspects. It starts at around $53,000 up to $88,000 for the black label, so you'd anticipate much for that cost. But it fails to deliver on the luxury promise. The primary issue? Dependability. Many models, 2020, 2021, 2022, and 2024, have faced recalls for severe problems. These include issues with the electrical system and even defective airbags. Fuel economy is another disappointment. The Aviator achieves only 18 miles per gallon combined, which is subpar for a premium SUV. If you're investing this much, you expect superior efficiency. Also, many owners note it underperforms compared to rivals like the BMW X5 or Audi Q7. If you're seeking a premium SUV, this one's a firm no. Number 15. Volvo XC60. The Volvo XC60 is a sleek, compact SUV priced at $53,000. Its upscale design and luxurious interior draw many buyers. Volvo's reputation for stellar safety ratings stands out. However, beneath its polish, troubling flaws begin to surface. The 2024 model alone has faced 3 major recalls. Transmission issues and engine stalling are frequent grievances. Owners also report regular failures in the entertainment system. Even driver assist features, meant to inspire confidence, often falter. Fuel efficiency is another drawback at 22 miles per gallon combined. While typical for its class, it feels disappointing at this price. Maintenance costs are high, and repair bills escalate rapidly. Though stylish and safe, the XC60 fails to provide lasting value. Number 14. Rivian R1T. An electric truck that captures attention with its innovative style and off-road prowess. Starting at $71,700, it's not affordable, and the top-tier Ascend Tri-Max model pushes the price to $101,700. For comparison, the Ford F-150 Lightning starts much lower, but if you match it to the R1T's features, like with the Lariat trim and extended range battery, the prices align closer. While creative in design and off-road abilities, it faces significant challenges. Owners report software bugs, suspension issues, and delays in fixes. Its 314-mile range is respectable, but Rivian's unique connector and scarce charging stations make long journeys tough. In 2024, the R1T faced 4 recalls, including airbag and accelerator pedal flaws. Charging disruptions and limited technician availability heighten frustration, making the R1T feel more like a risk than a dependable choice. Number 13. Polestar 2, an electric vehicle priced at $49,900. It blends sedan aesthetics with hatchback utility and offers an elevated seating position like a crossover. While sleek, it has problems. Owners report frequent issues with the Google-powered entertainment system. The EPA estimated range of 270 miles trails competitors like the Tesla Model 3. Safety is strong, but 2021 through 2022 models faced recalls for battery issues that could disable the high-voltage system. The ride is rigid, falling short of premium expectations. With scarce service centers and high repair costs, the Polestar 2 struggles with dependability. Number 12. Ford Bronco. A tough SUV with a vintage vibe. It's crafted for adventure, with off-road trims starting at $39,630 and the Raptor climbing to $90,035. Fans adore its bold look and trail-ready features. But owning a Bronco brings challenges. Dependability is one of its biggest flaws. Recalls impact several models, including the 2021 to 2023 Bronco Sport. A cracked fuel injector could spark fires, raising serious safety worries. Owners also report transmission issues and loud engines. Some V6 engines show valve train problems, which hinder performance. The interior doesn't match the price. Cabin materials feel low quality, with rattles and wear appearing early. The entertainment system is often criticized for being outdated and sluggish. Build quality is inconsistent, and the removable roof mechanism can be aggravating. On the highway, the Bronco underwhelms. Its ride is less comfortable, and the cabin is noisy. Fuel economy is another drawback, averaging just 17 miles per gallon. This makes daily driving costly. Number 11, Buick Encore. Often lauded for its ride comfort, cabin space, and cargo capacity, its compact size makes it ideal for urban driving. But despite the strengths, the Encore falls short in many critical areas. The 1.4-liter turbocharged engine feels weak. It struggles to accelerate, especially when merging or passing on highways. This makes driving less pleasant. Owners also report problems with the transmission, air conditioning, and electrical system. These issues can lead to costly repairs, quickly accumulating over time. Fuel efficiency is respectable at 25 miles per gallon, but it doesn't compensate for the car's performance and dependability flaws. The Encore lacks modern safety features, and the entertainment system is cumbersome. The Buick Encore has had several recalls. One involves a powertrain issue, while others affect airbag and seatbelt safety. These safety concerns make it harder to recommend. While the Encore offers good initial affordability at around $26,000, the lack of performance makes it a tough choice for long-term ownership. Number 10, Dodge Durango. This three-row midsize SUV is known for its striking appearance and robust performance. The Dodge Durango starts at around $40,000, with the 2025 SRT Hellcat model expected to reach up to $115,000. It offers best-in-class towing capacity of 8,700 pounds and can accelerate from 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds, 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. The ride is smooth and quiet, and it provides ample cargo space. However, the Durango has some serious shortcomings. Its fuel economy is weak, especially with a V8 engine, averaging just 15 miles per gallon. There are reports of engine failures and exhaust manifold problems, including a clicking sound. The Durango's safety scores are below average, and it lacks some key active safety features. While it's spacious, the Durango feels bulkier than many other crossovers. With high maintenance costs and poor resale value, it's a costly vehicle to own. Despite its performance and towing capabilities, the Durango's flaws make it a tough choice for daily use. Number 9, Jeep Wrangler. You just know that Jeep models cannot be overlooked in the list of undependable cars. The Jeep Wrangler, once a favorite for off-road fans, is troubled by electrical issues, rust, and engine noise. Starting at $33,000, it seems like a solid deal for adventure seekers. But consumer feedback and many owners highlight its major dependability problems. One of the biggest complaints is the steering. Owners describe it as imprecise and drifting. This makes highway driving unsafe and exhausting. The stiff suspension adds to the discomfort, making the ride rough on paved roads. There are also multiple recalls for the Wrangler. These include faulty fuel lines, airbag defects, and even structural cracks in some models. Fuel efficiency is poor, with an average of 19 miles per gallon, one of the worst in its class. Limited storage space adds to the inconvenience. Depreciation is high, especially for models with lots of miles. Owners often find themselves underwater on their loans, making it a poor financial choice. While the Wrangler excels off-road, daily driving is a tough trade-off. If you're not hitting the trails regularly, it might not be worth the hassle. Number 8, Jaguar F-Pace. A premium SUV with an enticing design. It starts at $58,375, but the price can climb to $67,875. However, as consumer feedback and many owners point out, looks aren't everything. The model has electrical issues, especially with the entertainment system, which are widely reported. Many owners also complain about excessive oil consumption and failing fuel pumps, even in newer models. Jaguar has issued several recalls, including one for faulty brake systems that pose a serious safety risk. While some praise its performance and handling, many express frustrations about constant trips to the repair shop. It drives like a charm when it's not in the shop, one reviewer noted. This sums up the ownership experience for many. For a premium SUV, the F-Pace delivers too many headaches. The 2023 What Car Reliability Survey placed it in the bottom third of large SUVs. Jaguar ranked 29th out of 32 manufacturers, below competitors like Audi, BMW, Mercedes, and Porsche. If dependability and value matter to you, this may not be your top choice. Number 7, Nissan Frontier. a mid-sized truck with a starting price of $29,000. While tough, it has a mixed reputation. The Frontier's outdated design was its biggest flaw until the 2022 redesign. Models from 2005 to 2010 and 2013 to 2018 are especially troublesome. Transmission failures, engine problems, and defective airbags plague these years. Paint chipping and faulty fuel systems add to the trouble. The fuel economy is disappointing at 18 miles per gallon overall. The Pro 4X model offers off-road readiness with a rear-locking differential, but still can't overcome the Frontier's stiff ride and basic interior. Newer models like the 2023 Frontier have smoother rides and more modern features. However, they still fall short compared to competitors offering better value. Recalls on airbags and brake components haven't helped its reputation. Frontier production is slowing, with operations cut by a day until its planned end on March 31, 2025. While it has a loyal fan base, this truck may not be for everyone. If dependability, efficiency, or a refined interior matter to you, consider other options. For those who want a rugged, no-frills truck, it might still be worth a glance. Number 6. Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. Though the market is focused on hybrids and electric cars, this one struggles to meet expectations. Starting at $44,145, it's packed with features but has serious dependability issues. This minivan offers an 82 miles per gallon rating, making it the greenest in its class. Families love the spacious interior and tranquil ride. It also qualifies for a $7,500 tax credit, which helps lower the price. On paper, it seems like a stellar choice, but in reality, it falls short. The 2021 model faced problems with its EV battery, in-car electronics, and charging system. Owners reported frozen screens, malfunctioning battery warmers, and charging issues. Many repairs were unresolved, leaving drivers frustrated. The 2023 model brought more trouble. Chrysler recalled it due to a defective wiring connector in the transmission. This could cause the engine to stall or shut off unexpectedly. In total, over 67,000 Pacifica hybrids from 2017 to 2023 were recalled. While it's fuel-efficient and eco-friendly, its long-term dependability is questionable. Chrysler's reputation for reliability is already shaky. Maintenance costs are high, and major repairs are likely. If you're seeking a hybrid minivan, consider these drawbacks carefully. Number 5. Volkswagen Jetta. Often marketed as an affordable and sleek compact sedan, starting at $21,995, it may seem like a great deal. However, dependability issues tarnish its reputation. Older models, especially from 2019 to 2021, face transmission failures, engine stalling, and electrical problems. These lead to costly repairs and frustrated owners. In fact, recalls have only added to the Jetta's reliability woes. Issues like defective fuel lines and airbag malfunctions have raised concerns about its safety. Crash test ratings are average at best, which is disappointing for a modern sedan. Customer reviews are mixed. Some enjoy the smooth ride and decent fuel economy of 30 miles per gallon. However, many criticize the low-quality interior materials and lack of long-term dependability. The 2009 model is notorious for transmission issues, especially with the DSG gearbox. The 2006 model had engine misfires, electrical failures, and fuel pump problems. Early 2019 models had entertainment glitches, while the 2003 version had power window and ignition coil issues. Dependability issues persist across the years. If you're looking for a reliable sedan, better options exist. The Jetta's sleek looks can't hide its costly problems. Number 4. Land Rover Range Rover Sport. One car brand that won't miss the premium SUV list is the Range Rover. The Land Rover Range Rover Sport, to be specific, offers a plush interior, comfortable seats, and a serene cabin. It's powered by a swift turbocharged and supercharged 6-cylinder engine. It also has a twin-turbo V8 option that delivers 530 horsepower. It has a 5-star ANCAP safety rating, but all is not perfect. The 2025 Range Rover Sport starts at $85,175, with higher trims reaching up to $124,875. The 2024 model starts at $83,600 for the SE trim. The 2023 SE model has an MSRP of $83,000, while the Dynamic SE is priced at $90,000. The autobiography trim costs $104,200, and the first edition comes in at $121,500. That makes it one of the priciest SUVs in the market. According to Consumer Reports, the Range Rover Sport's reputation suffers due to high maintenance costs. The complexity of its systems, parts, and technology can lead to costly repairs. Regular service by qualified professionals is essential to keeping it in top condition. The worst years for the Range Rover Sport were 2006 to 2008 and 2013. These models faced engine, transmission, and electrical issues that made them costly to maintain. Owners frequently reported problems that added to the already high cost of ownership. Before we get to the final three, hit that join button and give this video a thumbs up. These last picks are so flawed, you won't believe they even reached the market. Let's dive back in. Number 3, Fiat 500L. We're now in the bottom 3, and sadly, the Fiat 500L takes the spot for all the wrong reasons. Starting at $24,000, it might seem like an affordable and unique option, but it's far from it. Models from 2014 to 2017 are notorious for transmission failures and engine stalling. The repair costs can mount quickly, making it a poor financial choice in the long run. While it performs adequately in crash tests, it lacks the advanced safety features you'd expect for its price. Recalls have also been an issue, with Fiat addressing problems like airbags, fuel leaks, and suspension defects. In addition, the 500-liter loses value over time, with some owners reporting losses of 50% in just 3 years. It also has a cramped interior, poor fuel efficiency at 25 miles per gallon, and a rough ride, according to customer feedback. Fiat officially discontinued the 500L in 2021, citing several reasons. It was introduced at a time when the segment was losing popularity. The design resembled the Panda more than the 500, and its size was considered too small by American standards. Plus, the 500L lost favor to smaller SUVs like the Ford B-Max and Vauxhall Meriva. Though it seemed promising at first, the Fiat 500L ended up being a costly error for many. Number 2, GMC Sierra 1500. As we near the end, the GMC Sierra 1500 takes the number 2 spot. It's priced between $38,945 and $86,690. But it's not a dependable investment. This full-size truck has serious dependability issues. Models from 2014 to 2019 are especially problematic. Owners report transmission failures, engine troubles, and faulty electronics. Some also deal with steering component problems. These issues can be costly to fix, making it a hassle to maintain. Recalls are also common. One major recall involved brake system failures, while others focused on fire risks with the engine block heater. These safety issues are troubling. Fuel efficiency is another weak point. The Sierra averages just 17 miles per gallon, which is low for a truck of its size. Insurance costs are high, and repairs aren't cheap either. While some owners appreciate its towing capacity and comfort, the GMC Sierra 1500 comes with hidden costs. Consumer Reports even points out that the Silverado 1500 has better towing capacity and is more reliable. If you're looking for a dependable truck, the GMC Sierra 1500 should probably stay off your list. Number 1, Mitsubishi Mirage. I know this surprises many. The Mitsubishi Mirage is one of the cheapest cars in the market. So why should I avoid it, one might ask? Well, remember the phrase, you get what you pay for? It applies here. The Mitsubishi Mirage has received numerous negative reviews, and for good reason. The 3-cylinder engine is feeble, loud, and vibrates. Acceleration is slow, making it a poor choice for daily driving. Handling is awkward, which makes driving less enjoyable. Inside, the cabin feels cheap, the materials used are low quality, and the ride quality suffers as a result. The Mirage scored poorly in the IHS Small Overlap Crash Test. Consumer feedback says the driving experience lags behind other cars in terms of acceleration, handling, and noise. There have been numerous recalls. The internal acceleration sensor in the supplemental restraint system, SRS, can misinterpret vibrations. This causes airbags to fail in a crash. The brakes are harsh, and some 2018 models have squealing brakes. Air conditioning issues and transmission problems have also been reported in recent models. Maintenance costs for the Mirage are also higher than expected, with an average of $5,135 in repairs during the first 10 years. And here's the twist. The Mirage is being discontinued in the US market, and there will not be a 2025 model. While the Mirage's low price tag seems appealing, it's a budget car that quickly becomes costly in the long run.